Whether working on a factory floor or for an innovative startup, engineers work in teams. Your students need to understand that their personal and business success depends on the teams they're a part of, who surrounds them, and who works for them. A successful team is the bedrock for each individual's personal success. Every member, including the leader, needs to fully contribute to the team and benefit from it. Your individual success is dependent on the team, just as the team's success is dependent on you. In this film, we'll explore the importance of teamwork in enterprise and innovation, key roles and activities within high-performing teams, the benefits of diversity, and the power of building a strong personal network. So let's start with the fundamentals. What is teamwork? Teamwork happens when a group collaborates to achieve a common goal or task. The diverse skills, perspectives, and support within strong teams empower entrepreneurs to innovate, deliver, and achieve their ambitious technical and financial goals. Strong teams have a clearly defined goal that every team member supports. They are cohesive and complementary. Different members of the team will focus on different core task roles, such as researching, evaluating, or decision-making. They'll also focus on essential process roles like leadership, support, inclusion, and resolving conflicts. Essentially, good teamwork relies on a broad range of skills, shared trust between members, and emotional intelligence, which is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of your team members. High-performing teams are effective and they're efficient. They also have an optimum size. They need to be large enough to include all the necessary skills and experience, but small enough to ensure everyone contributes. When building a team, it's best to aim for the smallest team that delivers sustainable high performance. To help students understand these concepts, start by asking them to share examples of teams from their learning or hobbies. Ask your students to create a list of 5 ways in which team working helps to foster innovation or enterprise. Build on this by asking them to suggest features or behaviors of an effective team compared to an ineffective team. What indicators or factors are they using to make that judgment? Emphasize that an effective team includes roles to complete the team's tasks, the doing, as well as the process of being a team, the being. Explore the importance of emotional intelligence or people skills and the problems that arise when it's lacking or absent. Successful entrepreneurs rely on creativity, agility, and speed to achieve their technical and financial goals. Enterprises typically start small, often consisting of a cross-functional team that brings together the founders with new employees who contribute different specialisms. Diversity is the practice of hiring and including people from a diverse range of social, cultural, ethnic, or gender backgrounds. Different perspectives stimulate creativity and innovation. They lead to improved problem solving and decision making, and they help with the resolution and progression from disagreements between co-founders. When teaching this, personalize the content to make the specific area of innovation relevant and interesting to learners. To bring the issue to life, group your students into teams of 4. Ask half of the teams to work alone and draft individual responses to a problem before combining with their teammates to select the best solution. Have the other teams work on the same problem as a group right from the start. Then compare the students' experiences and the outcomes. The people in our personal networks provide support, guidance, and opportunities. and we do the same for them. Just like any career, building a strong personal network is essential for an entrepreneur. As your students progress in their careers or make the leap into enterprise, they will need to grow and adapt their network to support their changing needs. To help them do this, encourage them to seek a diverse and inspiring personal network. Aim for quality and depth, not just quantity. Keep in contact and share valuable information selectively. Give to their network as well as take from it. Offer help when others need it, and connect people with each other to help them grow their own personal networks. Networks are built on integrity, trust, and respect. Remind your students that their behavior and performance when networking and teamworking should reflect the skills and attributes of the people they would want to have in their own personal network. You can also provide links to your local enterprise hub and, based on learners' occupational specialisms, suitable professional bodies for them to join as students. Let's look at a case study you can use with your students. This also appears in the Learner resource. Imagine you are a department head in a large engineering company. The board of directors has decided to launch an innovation team and has asked each department head for suggestions on how to proceed. The board hasn't defined a goal, but wants the new role to guide each department to be the best in the industry, contributing to rapid product development and growth. Several other department heads want to discuss ideas within their departments to present to the board. You disagree and want to advocate strongly for a cross-functional team. Once you've presented this case study, you can ask your students to complete these tasks. Write a brief response to your colleagues, highlighting the benefits of starting with a cross-functional team. Create a table to describe 6 skills or personal qualities you think all candidates should demonstrate when you interview them for the team. Suggest a unifying and inspiring goal that will help to build a cohesive and effective innovation team. Explain to your colleagues why each team member's personal network might also be a valuable asset for the innovation team. You can bring teamworking and networking into how you teach your students by encouraging them to work together in teams in their educational projects and learning. By making teamworking and networking an integrated part of your course, you're not only giving them knowledge, but also equipping your students with essential skills and experience for collaboration and innovation in their engineering careers.